I have earned $5 using this proxy. In this video, I am going to show you a proxy site that is very famous proxy and you can use it for any purpose. You can work on 5 surveys, Prime Opinion, Heycash, Gmail Create, Fact Sign Up and many more purposes. So this is very good proxy. Let's explain about the proxy. Here is the purposes you can use the proxy. Let's go to uses cases. Here it is. Data collection, social media, price monitoring, market research, ad verification, travel price comparison, brand promotion, SEO optimization, Tamil Yogi proxy. Lot of things you can do by this proxy. You can do survey also. Okay, now let's discuss about the proxy. So this is the proxy site. First you have to register here. Click on sign up. Site link will in description. You can check it. Now go to register page here. Choose your mail. Choose a password and confirm password and choose invitation code. Invitation code will in description. You can check it and fill up this. I am not a robot. Now click on verify. So our account is created. You can check it here. So here you can see users purposes here. You can use it for SEO, ad verification that we previously discussed. If you have others purpose, you can write it here. I will use it in survey. So I am writing survey and then confirm. So this is our site, Cherry Proxy. Now we will discuss about the proxy pricing. Let's go to price. Here you can see residential proxy 78 cent per GB. Residential proxy for business 77 cent per GB. Rotating proxy 77 cent per GB. Here you can see shocks proxy also, that is only 10 cent per proxy. Proxy will last 1 to 12 hours. You may need 1 or 2 proxies per day. Maybe you can continue whole day by one proxy. This proxy price is only 10 cent. If you need few proxies like 10 piece, 12 piece, 100 piece, you can contact with me. I can provide you the proxy. After that, here you can see business plan, shocks proxy business plan and static proxy also. Static proxy only $5 per month. Now let's check residential proxies. Here you will get $5 discount for every package. Buy any package and get $5 discount. Now let's discuss the package. Here our first package is 5 GB. Per GB is $1.3. Total cost will $6.5. You can get unlimited proxy from this. You can change unlimited times. Here shocks, HTTP all are available. You will get bigger discount from bigger package. If you choose 11 GB, that cost will $2.4 per GB. Total cost will $26.4. That is for 30 days. When you buy 60 GB, the price will less. For 100 GB, price will more or less. And for 400 GB, price will more or less. You will get shocks 5 or HTTP proxy. You can generate unlimited proxy. Here is unlimited bandwidth. You can choose your targeted country also. Now let's check our business plan. This is the bigger plan. You can choose it for business. Check. Here only 78 cent per GB. Now let's check our rotating plan. Here it is. This is the rotating plan. So check. $3 per GB. This is the first package for 90 days. And here bigger plan. Only $77 per GB. This is also for 90 days. You can also generate unlimited proxy. Rotating proxy means the proxy will rotate automatic. Location will change. Now let's discuss the shocks plan. So this is the shocks plan. This is also called daily IP. Here our first package 200 piece IP, $50, only 25 cents per IP. If you need this proxy, you can contact with me. I can provide you with the lower price. I will leave the contact information in the description. You can check it. Here 350 IPs. Total cost is $54. Here 500 IPs, only $77, and 700 IP, only 30 cents per IP, and 800 IPs, $101. No withdrawal fees. Shocks HTTP both available. Unmetered bandwidth. Accurate to the city. You will get as your desired city. Now let's check business plan. So this is the business plan, and business plan is bigger plan. If you are individual, choose Shocks Proxy's basic plan. Now let's check how to buy it. You can pay by a credit card, cryptocurrency, and PayPal Bits also. You can buy with this. I bought a plan. I will show you how you can set up your proxies. This is my residential proxy 1 GB. First go to residential proxy. Here you will get an interface. You can choose any country. Then you can choose state. After that you can choose city and hostname port also. Here is the quantity, how many proxies you want. If you need 10, just click on generate. Check, this is the proxy. I got 10 proxies. This is the proxy. This is the port. This is the username. And this is the password. Now let's set up the proxy. I will set up it in GoLogin browser. It's very simple. Open GoLogin browser. Here you will see a proxy section. Just paste it here. After that, run the proxy. It will open a new browser. Let's go to ho.net. Check, proxy is working. And here is the location. In GoLogin browser, it will automatic 100%. So very easy. If you need 50 proxies, 100 proxies, you can contact with me also. I will leave my contact information in description. You can contact from here. So that's all for today.